There are so many possibilities, and I'm blown away by what's possible nowadays. It's, I think, very important to be here and to meet people, to share our story, to hear others, and to see how we can collaborate and work together in the future.
Circular Textile Days is a 2-day event where we have a lot of speakers, exhibitors, presentations from people from the entire textile chain, where they inspire and inform each other on circular solutions.
We were here the last year and we started few contracts. So this year we came to have more contracts and to meet more people, see more ideas and learn more about the ecosystem of textiles.
We see B2B cooperations, we see facilities and we see funding for companies B2B to work together on circularity, on products, etc. So we are really growing an ecosystem together.
It's great to also see quite some spaces where brands can present themselves in like panel discussions or these kind of things. I think that's always helpful for the visitors, that you have in-depth discussions about the technologies that are presented here and that people can learn from it and benefit from it, and then that you can motivate them to pass by on the booth to present your story.
It's so reassuring to see so many people with such great projects working towards more sustainable fashion and more sustainable textile industry, and to see so many people working to a greener tomorrow.